Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to view the seed phrase of the wallets in the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. So follow along. On the X1 vault, select the wallet for which you want to view the seed phrase. Click on View Seed. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one X1 card below the X1 vault. The seed phrase will be displayed on the trusted display of the X1 vault. You can use the same method to view the seed phrase of other wallets of the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to view the seed phrases of the wallets in the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Well done.